Hey guys, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG and I'm the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. So we have started this new series, Make It Monday with Mallory. If you haven't checked out last week's, I started with some organization of all your extra vinyl scraps and just a way to personalize any different project using some Digical adhesive vinyl. This week I am excited to bring you a newer product from Stahls. It is their Glitter PSV and it is awesome. And who doesn't love a little bling? If you watch some of my videos, you know I absolutely do. And we're gonna stick with this organization. I have already done this one. It is for my Christmas decorations. I saw this online and thought it was just adorable. Besides the fact that my husband loves that I did this. So he's not like, and what other box do you need? And what do you need? He just knows any holiday, it's gonna be labeled. So I just did Christmas. You can do whatever you want. I wanted to add the snowflakes just because why not? So today we're gonna do it for my Valentine's decorations. So then when I'm done this year, I'm ready to go for next year. So I just got these simple totes. I've already cut out, this is the black glitter. So I cut out Valentine's. I put the application tape that Stahls recommends with it. And we are gonna peel this. I will say with the glitter, you wanna up your blade settings. Not as much as like HTV glitter. It's not really that thick, but it is a little bit tricky when you are peeling it off. So you wanna make sure that you really put pressure on with your squeegee. Make sure that's sticking to that application tape. The application tape that I'm using has a liner. I really like to save that liner, so if you are doing this and you want to advertise it as something you're selling, just the cut vinyl, you can put it then on the backing of the application tape and it's a bit easier to ship. So it's a great thing to use for that. So don't always throw it away. So I like when it's something like this and there are crevices on that, I want to try and get, if you can see, where I put the V right here on the flat part, and then so that A just lays flat. And then when I go this way, you know, the E is going to be a little, so you want to make sure that with your squeegee, you're flattening that out and it's going over that ridge right there. But I always like to start, like I said, and try to, where I'm not doing two letters on each side where I'm having to bend it over that curve. I like using the squeegee on the felt side just because I don't want to scratch anything. Before I started on this, I did clean this tote with just an alcohol prep pad just to make sure everything was clean. You know, when you buy these from stores, you never really know, and you want to make sure you have a smooth, clean, dry surface when you get started. If you want to use the other side, it's not as big of a deal when you're first putting it on, but once you're done, because you don't want to scratch that vinyl, you want to go ahead and use that felt side is what I recommend. And that just kind of pushes it down just to make sure it's securely on there. And push it in like this E, like I told you, is over that little bit of a ridge. So then I just kind of smooth it out real quick. And then I have some hearts. I wanted to show you how easy it is to weed this PSV glitter. I know I get asked about that quite a bit, and you can see it's just weeding like a dream right here. It's really easy. Just peel that off. So definitely makes your time easier. When you cut something big like this, you don't even have to use the application tape. You can just kind of peel them off and put them where you want them, which is kind of nice. Saves you, besides product, it saves you a little bit of time. Just kind of sticking these wherever you would like them. And it also sticks to you apparently. All right, so I love this idea. I can't wait to do it for all the holidays. If you are a reseller and you want to show this off to customers, it's a great way for them. You know, you can organize vinyl, anything around, but it's a great opportunity to kind of showcase what you can do with this glitter PSV. And I love all the new colors that they came out with. I'm really excited about this new product, and I think all of you will absolutely love playing with it, using it for different projects. This turned out so cute. Guys, tag me if you have used the new Stahls PSV Glitter. I want to see what you're doing. Get my creative juices flowing so I can add glitter to more places in my house. All right, guys, thank you so, so much for watching. I love this new series, but I want to hear from you. So comment below, what do you want to see? Is there a piece of equipment that you want me to display, show you how it works? Is there a new product you'd like to see? So either comment below or send me a message, and I really look forward to hearing from you. So I will see you next Monday, and thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to see more of my vinyl decorating tips and projects. I would love to see what you're working on, so make sure and tag me. See you next time.